Hi everyone, my name is Emin, founder of Financial Gym with Jimmy. So a lot of people ask me this question, why do we have this financial gym concept? So there are actually two main reasons. One being this, I have been a retail investor trainer over the past 9 years, and I realized a lot of retail investors always has this impression that investing is about buy low, sell high, and if they just adopt it from a part-time or retail perspective, which I define as someone with a full-time job or either that can only spend about half a day per week to look at investment. So if they just simply adopt the buy low, sell high attitude, very likely it doesn't work. So for the past 9 years, I've been trying to research what really works for retail investors is actually what I call regular investing, or in a context I call create wealth accumulation system. And this is the reason why I have this financial gym to help people to do so, to help people create regular investment systems to snowball their wealth, and I think that is something that really works for all retail investors.